Good evening, YouTube. It is December 3rd. It's a Monday night. We just finished drill up here at the fire station. Before we get into the video, I just want to apologize in advance. I know this is taken like I'm holding a cell phone up and down because I am. Unfortunately, my cell phone no longer allows me to rotate the screen, so I can't really make the video widescreen anymore. So that'll happen, or that'll get replaced at some point in the next couple of days because this phone's starting to act really weird anyway. Anyway, so the reason the hood's open on the truck, I got tired of the halogen 9007 headlights. These are Sylvania Silver Star, I believe. I had the Gold Star in there, and they kept blowing fuses, so I put the Silver Star back in. They were still really dim. I couldn't see very far with them. And finally I got tired of it. So I found out about these guys called Lace Fit LED lights, Last Fit, however you want to say it. Found out about these guys from a couple of different YouTube videos where people took their regular 1999 to 2004 F250s and 350s with the stock headlight housings, and they put these bulbs in them, and they were LED bulbs, and they were freaking bright. I actually was skeptical at first because every other review I've seen of LED bulbs, they were pretty terrible. They really didn't do much. But what stuck out about the Lace Fit ones is they were specifically designed for use in the reflector housing like I have. So I probably should have taken a video before I put these in so I could do a before and after, but I'll make sure to post a link in the description. I keep saying I'll do that for all my videos, but I'll actually remember to do it this time. Lace Fit, their bulbs, it's top and bottom chip, so to speak. So there's the top chip, which I believe is the high beam, and then there's the bottom chip, which is the low beam. And it's just straight up and down. You might be able to see kind of how it is in there. Or actually, no, it's a side to side, because you can see the screw right there. That's one chip, and then there's another one on the other side. And this side's the same way. Again, there's the screw with, you can actually see the LED diode in there. But anyway, so I just got done putting them in. I had the one in when I went to drill. I didn't get a chance to finish the other one until afterwards. But oh my lord, this side completely washed out the driver's side halogen while I still had it in there. So we're gonna go ahead and turn these babies on. They do have a built-in fan for heat. Apparently these things build up a lot of heat, so they do have their own built-in fans. You can kind of hear. You might not be able to over the heater in the building, but that's what they look like, just with the lights on in the station. They are blinding, and it is great. I'll actually be able to see what I'm doing when I go on search calls now. And this is just the low beam setting, by the way. This isn't high beam, this is just low beam. And it lights up the station quite well. So we'll go ahead, turn on the high beams. There we go. So like I said, these are direct replacements. You don't have to do any sort of modifications to the housings. You do have to do a little bit of modification to the dust covers on, at least on the 2004. Probably on everything you'd have to do the modification. You just had to notch them out a little bit more. Accommodate the pigtail. But other than that, I like these. I would definitely recommend them to anyone with a 2004 or older F250 Super Duty or 350 Super Duty with the projector style, or not the projector, with the reflector style housings like these. But yeah, thanks for watching, and definitely check these guys out.